Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for returning, and also hi to all my new subscribers. It's always a pleasure making a video for you, as you know. Happy Me on a Budget, and I'm going to do a small haul of some DIY and household and craft items. So I went to Poundland today and I managed to pick up some bits and pieces. First of all, I needed some shampoo and I wanted to try this. It's a Nutrifix shampoo with keratin, and it's known to restore the protein in the hair. Keratin strengthens hair and promotes healing of damaged roots and split ends, restoring its natural beauty. That's 300 mils, dermatologically tested, and that was £1. So I managed to pick that up. And also I got the argan oil one as well. That one, and that one's rich in vitamin E. Argan oil is known to give hair a natural boost, leaving it hydrated, soft and silky, and that's 300 mils as well. And that's the shampoo by Nutrifix, also £1. And this was the last conditioner as well that they had on the shelf. And this one's with coconut milk, and it says an ancient exotic ingredient that is known to rejuvenate the scalp and hair. Coconut milk is also known to act as a natural moisturizer, and I do use a lot of coconut oil and milk for my hair, so I got that as well. Great. I didn't smells of coconut, that one. And let's smell the argan. Smell really nice, and they don't smell. They smell really nice. They don't smell overly chemicaled either. So yeah, got those, and I also picked up some the black bobbles for my hair, because when I'm treating my hair and stuff, I like to partition them off and do it in sections. So I got these as well, and there's 15 in a pack. And I also got the medium grips as well, so that's 50 in the packet for these hair grips. I wanted a couple of glasses cases, so I picked that up. Isn't that pretty and pink? That's lovely. Pretty and pink. So I got that. And I also got this one, the lilacs and the purples and pinks. Really do love it. It's really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Right, so household, yes, you can consider them as household. I picked up 3 of these because I really wanted some more storage, and these are for bottles, actually, bottle organisers, but I'm thinking that I can use these in my Rascog, because I'm trying to organise my all my planner supplies, and I thought I'll try these in the Rascog and see how they go. And I'd like to do a planner supply video, so if you'd like to see that, leave me a comment below. Yeah, so these were £1 each, and they're really deep as well and see-through, so you can see exactly what you've got in your containers. So I've got those as well. Like those. Right. I got a pair of these gloves. They are such good gloves. I love them. And they're really good for gripping. You know, I do a lot of DIYs and I'm always doing something in the house that requires DIY gloves. So I got those as well. And also, I thought I would try this epoxy glue. It's bond together 2-part epoxy resin, and I believe that it's really a strong glue, so I thought I'd try it because I've got a DIY to do in the house which requires me attaching a mirror to something, so I thought I'd try this epoxy resin and see how I go with that. It is highly recommended, not this particular brand, of course this is only Poundland brand, but I'm sure it'll work the same. So I'll try that and let you know how I got on with that, how I get on. And then I picked up some more of the clear tape because I always need this clear tape for all sorts of DIYs and crafting projects. So I thought I'd get that as well. And they had these decorative stickers, and these are the birthday ones. It's really cute. It says it's your birthday and enjoy, it's your special day, and sending birthday hugs, happy birthday, and many more. And you've got the 4-tier cake and the party hats, the cupcakes and the balloons and the candles and the birthday banner. It's really pretty, so I thought I'd pick that up and put that in my collection. This I haven't seen in Poundland before. It's the pearlescent cards, and it's 210 GSM, 10 sheets, and they're A4. I'll just open them. They're sealed, these ones, and they're really, really nice. We've got the gold and the cream. That looks sort of like copper, pinky bronze, and you've got a darker cream and grey. So I've not seen these in Poundland before, so I thought I'd try them. Worth a try. And then I needed some more cardstock, white cardstock. I have to say that these ones are not the best of quality. Very rough. There's a right side and a wrong side. This side is smooth and this side is rough, so I imagine this is the wrong side, the rough side. However, depending on what project you're going to do, it could be quite versatile. So I picked those up, and these were about I'd say between 180 and 200 GSM. It doesn't have it on the label, I'm afraid. No, it just says 30 sheets A4 white card. And they're not overly thick. I'd say about 180 GSMs for those. So that's what I got. And last but not least, I picked this up, this wreath, and I want to put it on my front door, but I'm going to alter it. When I've done that, then I'll show it to you. I'll make a video for that. So I'm just gonna leave it to one side and have a think about it. What exactly am I gonna do with it? But I'm gonna add some more embellishments and stuff to it. So I just thought this is a starter. really sturdy, really nice, and nothing falls off. It's all secure, all the tinsel, and I thought that would be really nice to put on the front door. So that's that. So that's my Poundland mini haul, and I'd like to thank you very much for stopping by, as I said earlier on in the video. And if you did like this haul, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe in order to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.